Truck was smashed by a tree. Obliterated my truck. Let's see if it's still in here. Dang. Let's see if it's still in here. Ha-ha! Still got my gift card in here. How about that, huh?
What's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 millimeter? You can get it anytime. Play with me, on my belly, on my gun, on my guns. You can try it. You're gonna ride, 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 ride.
You all right? You want to try to get a charge on it? Before I leave real quick? In the car I do. I don't have them out here.
Yeah, I mean, I know it's dark.